So if you're absolutely sick of hearing about cryptocurrencies and Bitcoin, this might be right up your alley. This video is about peer-to-peer lending and what kind of unorthodox investment vehicles you can partake in outside of the stock market and cryptocurrencies and all these exchanges. This is a way more secure investment than most cryptocurrency investments, but as such, you obviously make a lot less. So how it works, this is just the LendingClub homepage. It basically allows investors to become the bank on the debt investments that other creditors and other big banks have been, partaking in for years. Let me log into my account and I will show you exactly how it works. So this is my account. I've had it for about a year. In actual terms, I'm at about a 14.36% return rate, although I have some loans that are past due, and I don't know if they're going to get paid back. So what the net or adjusted net annualized return does is it takes into account what they forecast as your losses, although they haven't actually become losses yet. Like I said, this is about a year of investing. I put a couple $100 a month in and just kind of let it build. I have 360 notes, which again, a note is a portion of someone's loan. So to show you a little bit more about exactly how that works, go over here to manual investing. You can manually buy these notes. So for example, this guy has requested a loan from LendingClub. He put a credit application in. They looked up his FICO score. Here's the amount of the loan. Here's what he's doing with the money. And this loan has been 97% funded by other investors on LendingClub. So when I add $25, or if I add this to my order, I'll buy $25 of this $13,000 amount, and I will make 15% on my $25. And it kind of shows some details about this individual, so you can kind of pick and choose if you'd like. Personally, I set up automated investing, and to where I throw some money into it. I set what kind of investment, what kind of loans, what kind of risk I would like. The A category is very low risk, low returns, and E's are high risk, high return. They used to have an F and a G, which was even higher risk, high returns, but they kind of monitor what's been going on in the markets, and lately there's been a lot of people defaulting, so they're taking a break on offering that. There's a trading account which allows you to liquidate some of your notes if you need money all of a sudden. For example, when you invest in a loan, if you're going to give someone a loan, they're going to take 3 to 5 years to pay it back depending on the terms. And so your money is tied up for 3 to 5 years. A lot of the guys pay off quicker, but by contract, they have your $25 per note for 3 to 5 years, depending on what criteria you set. So if you need that money all of a sudden, you can go to the note trading platform and you can trade to other traders. And typically you'll take a little tiny loss, but you can get your money out pretty quick. In summary, well, let's show you the holdings first. One more thing. So this is some details on all the notes that I have. There's a bunch of them that are being issued. They're not yet funded. These are current and issued, so I'm making money on these. Grace period means they're, I think, up to 15 days past their due date. Here are the amount of loans in 15 to 30 day range and 30 to 120. 36 of the notes have been fully paid off, and I've gotten either the full return expected or they paid them off early. In general, this kind of shows you what kind of details are on your notes. This is the note specifically, and then you can compile or compound all your notes into specific portfolios. I like to do it by month. So every month I've been doing this. I add, the 1st of January, I'll add all the notes up that haven't been assigned to a portfolio, and I will put them in the December 17 portfolio, and it just kind of keeps a tally on how much I've been putting in every month. So that's a quick overview. One thing I will put in the bottom of the page is there's a good article on the 2 different peer-to-peer lending leaders. One obviously is LendingClub, and the second is Prosper.com. And Prosper, according to the reviews, typically makes a 0.5% or 1% higher. But they said the website's a little tricky. I haven't been over there yet, so I can't tell you. One thing I'll also include here is a link for referrals. So if you're going to sign up for an account, please see if you can help me out and do some affiliateness. Thanks again.